Hi guys. So we're playing Find the Wubbl Birds, which is a weird name. Okay, time to find some dogs. Let's just about it. We can clearly see the difference between the blocks, and yeah, it's not really that hard. Oh, a duck over there. I thought there would be a duck over here. Oh, there is a duck over here. Oh my god, I didn't get that other duck. Oh. How did I not see that? Okay, whatever. Next level. I'm going over here. Joseph. Well, that was pretty obvious. Wait, I see the play difference because I have super eyes. Shower? How did I just find that one? Maybe... Did I see what you guys said? A duck! Yay! Next time, we're going to gear. Seems like this is a gear feeding level. There we go. Oh. Okay. There's probably one. What the? Still two more I've gotta look for. Bro, there's still two more I've gotta look for. No. Oh. A convenient duck over here. Any more ducks? What the? He's just hiding upside down? Okay, whatever. I don't know why they put it there, but okay. Yellow or blue? I'm going blue. Oh, this is a gem feed. I do not like this because it's going to be a hard one. Because all I can use is my light source. Oh, there's a duck over here. And a duck over there somehow. How did I just find two? Oh. Okay. Still two ducks to find. That was so easy. Nope, that's a skeleton. Not a duck. I need a duck. No. Nope. I hate this because, but I guess we gotta get this duck over here. God, where's the other duck? Is the other duck somewhere sneaky, like in these spikes or something? How did I just find it? Okay, I guess we're gonna go for the dark blue now. Oh god, I do not want to touch those. Or else they'll kill me. So, one duck acquired. How the hell am I supposed to get them? I can just touch them without them harming me? How do I find that duck? Oh my god. Oh, I found one. Oh, pretty. Now we gotta look for the last duck, which is almost impossible. Where the hell is it? I hope it's on. How did I not see that before? If I had super high screen time. We're on the Mushroom Island, so I found one. Okay, that was fun. Another one. I'm just guessing. They're almost all of them are in this tree. What are they doing? They're hiding in such obvious places. Wait. Oh my god, that was simple. Why is this one the easiest? Okay, on yellow time. Yay, cheese. Moldy cheese. Ew. They're so disgusting. Even smells rotten. Oh, that was simple. Now I can't find the exit. Oh, it's right over here. Oh, I got one. Now I just need to find two more. That one was so obvious. That one was kind of obvious, I guess. It's not like the lava killed. Yeah, the lava doesn't kill, okay. But there's a duck over here. A duck over there, which is pretty easy to find. Where's the last one? Where are you? I know you're somewhere. Maybe a slight change in the block? Or maybe it's hidden in the lava? Okay. I don't know how I just discovered that. Or whatever. Anyway. What is this blue mushroom? The pink. The pink ducks. Okay. I don't. This seems very easy. I just want to get all the coins. So. Wow. We need the last one. That was so easy. And I got all the coins, and I got a quest completed. The journey begins. Collect 4 silver coins. Wow. That was fun. Gotta claim these. And stay tuned for episode 2. Please like and subscribe. For a free cookie.